Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? I think you are very well. Me also, I'm very well. So, my name is Afekomi. I am an English teacher, and I am here to help you in English from Form 4. English lesson, the title is the passive voice. So, this afternoon, we are going to learn together how to transform some sentences from active voice to passive voice. So at the end of this lesson, you must be able to transform some sentences from active voice to passive voice. So let us follow with this presentation. So we are going to learn two sentences here. The first sentence is Kofi eats apple. Okay, Kofi eats apple. And the sentence one, the second one is apple is eaten by Kofi. Okay, so you see in this first sentence we say Kofi eats apple. So in the second sentence, apple is eaten by Kofi. Now, this type of sentences is called active sentences or active voice, because we have the subject, that is Kofi, that is doing an action, eating, and what Kofi is eating? Kofi is eating apple. So we have the subject, the verb, and the object. That is an active voice. But here, apple is eaten by Kofi. So we see that the object takes the place of the subject. So apple becomes our subject now, and we have the verb. Now we have another element that is new, that we call PP, past participle, and we have by Kofi. So this sentence is a passive voice. So here we can say it is an active voice, and here it is a passive voice. Okay, active voice, passive voice. Active voice, it is when the subject does the action, but passive voice, the object becomes the subject. That is the changement between active and passive voice. Now, what rule can we follow to understand the use of a passive voice? Look at this word. That is our object here, becomes our subject. And our subject becomes our object. So it means that from active voice to passive voice, we have some changes. Okay? Where you have a subject plus a verb plus a object. Here you have object plus a verb plus a subject. So we have some change. Okay? We have some changes. Now, what are the new elements that are in the sentence now? We have is, that is the verb, okay? Eating, that is PP, and by, that is the element that we use to transform sentences from active to passive voice. So, when we want to summarize what we are saying, the general rule, okay, that is to be, that is PP, and that is the new element. So the rule from active to passive voice, the rule is what? Object plus, that is the object, plus to be, okay, plus PP, plus by, plus subject. Okay, that is the rule, the general rule of a passive voice. Okay, when we want to transform some sentences from active voice to passive voice, we are going to follow this rule. Okay, the rule is object plus to be plus PP plus by plus subject. Now, I think you are following me. Look at this following sentences. We begin with the present tense. Okay, the present tense is passive of present tenses. So you cannot see very well this one. I will write it with a white chalk. So object plus to be plus pp plus by plus subject. Okay, that is the rule, the general rule of passive voice. Object plus to be plus pp plus by plus subject. Now let us tackle with the first sentence, the present tenses. Let us take the simple present. The simple present. Okay, you are going to do it together. And we are going to use an example. For example, Nestor dances guitar. Okay, Nestor dances guitar. We want to transform these sentences from active to passive voice. Now, what are you going to do? Look at me. We said that from active voice we have the subject, the verb, and the object. Now, with the rule that we learn right now, the object will become the subject. Okay, the object become the subject, and we are going to use the verb to be plus pp of this verb plus by plus a subject. So it means that Nestor dances guitar. Guitar. Now guitar becomes the subject. Guitar to be is, okay, because to be of a guitar, it is the third person singular, so we use guitar is. Okay, we cannot say guitar are or guitar am. Guitar is. Now pp of dance. PP of dance is danced. Okay, the PP of dance is danced. So guitar is danced. Now we remain one element, by. Guitar is danced by Nestor. Okay, so Nestor dances guitar. Guitar is danced by Nestor. So that is the passive voice of these sentences. Let us take another sentence. Afi sells mangoes. Afi sells mangoes. From passive voice, we are going to follow the rule. Mangoes will become the subject. Mangoes. Now we have mango is plural, okay? It is a plural, numerous. So we are going to use are. Okay, the form of to be for plural is are. Mangoes are. The PP of sell. The PP of sell is sold. Okay, mangoes are sold by. Okay, mangoes are sold by Afi. Okay, do you follow me? So Afi sells mangoes becomes mangoes are sold by Afi. Let us take another sentence again. Number 3. Emily gives me a nice bag. Okay, Emily gives me a nice bag. So from passive voice, what are we going to do? Emily, subject, gives, verb, me, object, a nice bag, object. So object will become the subject. So a nice bag, okay. Now gives, a nice bag is Okay, a next verb is PP of give, given. Okay, so Emily gives me. A next verb is given to me. Okay, to me because it is for me the bag belongs to. Okay, Emily is giving the bag for me. So a next bag is given to me by Emily. So that is how we do the passive voice. You see, the subject becomes the object becomes the subject, and the subject becomes the object. So we have the use of a new element that is to be, given, PP, and that is objects. Now the general rule of present for passive voice, for simple present, we have objects plus to be. In simple present, that is am or are or is plus PP plus by plus subject. So that is the rule of passive voice for simple present. Object plus am or are or is plus by plus PP plus by plus subject. Okay, now when you are at home, I will give you a homework right now. You are going to transform this sentence for me. Anani eats a play. Okay, Anani eats a play. What are we going to have here? You are going to do it at in your notebooks. Okay, let us do it. Okay, Anani eats a play. Okay, it will become what? I will see you later. When you finish, you send me later. Okay, let us continue with another form of simple present. We continue with be, the present progressive. The present progressive. What is the present progressive? You know that, as your teacher told you, we use the progressive sentences to express an action that is going on when we are talking. For example, Kofi is eating rice. Okay, for example, Kofi is eating rice. When you see Kofi is eating rice. So that is a progressive form, present progressive. How are we going to transform it for passive voice? Look, we know that Kofi is the subject, is the verb, eating the verb, rice object. Rice will become the subject. Rice. Okay, rice. Now, as we are talking about our present, we are going to use to be in present. Rice is. Okay. Now here we have ing. This ing we use by obligation. We are going to use this word being. Okay. We are going to use this word being in the sentence. So what are you going to say? Rice is being. Okay, because of ing here. Rice is being eaten. That is the PP of it. So we cancel the ing to have the PP. So we add the ing with a be to have being eaten by Kofi. Okay, so Kofi is eating rice becomes rice is being eaten by Kofi. Okay, let us continue. Afi is dancing. Afi is dancing good song. Okay, Afi is dancing good songs. Dancing means that we are in a present progressive. What will become this one? You have good songs, we have good song, it is a plural. So good song to be plural, we have are. Good songs are. Now the PP of dance. The PP of dance is danced. So good songs are danced. Good songs are danced by Afi. Okay? So have Afi is dancing good songs becomes good songs are. Why do we use are? Because of the plural form of good songs. Good songs are danced by Afi. So, for these two sentences, we can have the rule. The rule of passive voice of present progressive, we have objects plus to be in simple present, that is am, are, and is. Okay, am, are, is, plus being. Okay, because of progressive form, being, plus pp, plus by, plus subject. So that is the use of present progressive, the rule. Object plus am or are or is, plus being, plus pp, plus by, plus subject. So we use am because we say I am. We use are for plural, and we use is at the third personal singular, because when you have the subject as a Kofi, Ablavi, he, she, it, we use is. Now being, because of the ing, that is at the end of the verb, and pp, that the past participle by plus subject. Now another homework for you again. I know that you do it. I will check it. Okay, so you transform this sentence from active to passive for me. The teacher is punishing. The teacher is punishing the students. Okay, the teacher is punishing the student. I will let you do it at home, and later you call me and tell me what you have tried. Let us continue again with the another tense of present. Now we are going to talk about the present perfect. The present perfect. Okay, the present perfect. Look at this sentence. Afi has killed a snake. Afi has killed a snake. You know that we use the verb to have for present perfect. Okay, have plus pp. So we have, because of Afi, we say has plus pp, that is killed a snake. When we want to transform this sentence from active to passive voice, we are going to follow the same rule. The Afi, that is the subject, will become the object, and a snake, that is object, will become the subject. So a snake. Now here you are not going to change anything. We just keep on the form of the verbs, and we'll focus on the subjects, because a snake is now our new subject now. So a snake has. Okay, we take the verb to have again. A snake has. Now we use another new element, that is been. Okay, been, because we for the perfect. Okay, for perfect we use a been. It can be present perfect, past perfect, any perfect we use been. So a snake has been killed by Afi. Okay, we have our verb to have, and we have our pp. So the element that is new here, it is been. Okay, so Afi has killed a snake becomes a snake has been killed by Afi. Another sentence, Duty has sold mangoes. Duty has sold mangoes. Becomes what? Mangoes. Now we are going to pay attention to look carefully to the sentence here now. Mangoes, it is a plural, so we are going to change right now. We are going to change the verb to have. Mangoes have. Okay, we cannot say mangoes has because it is a plural. So mangoes have the element been, okay, sold by Duty. As we did it right now, we didn't change many things. We just focus on the subject and we keep the verb to have and the PP. Now the new element that is in the sentence is a being. Now take care for the subject. When the subject is in singular, we are going to use has. But when the sentence is the subject is in plural, where you are going to use have. Now with these two sentences, we can have the rule now. The rule: passive words of perfect, present perfect, have objects plus have or has plus pp plus by plus subjects. So that is the rule of present perfect. At home, you are going to try this one. Emily has bought a new car. Okay, Emily has bought a new car. We are going to transform this sentence from active to passive voice. You are going to do it at home, and you send me later your homework. I mean, we at the end of this session, that is passive voice of present perfect. Now we are going to follow with the past tenses. Okay, the past tenses. When we have them, we can have a homework after the lesson. Now, passive of past tenses. So, past tense, you have the simple past. The simple past. Okay. A sentence in simple past. Afi ate yam. Okay. Afi ate yams. Afi ate yams. That is the subject Afi, the verb ate, and the object yams. Transformation will give this one. Yams. Okay. Now we have 8. 8 is in simple past, so we are going to use the verb to be in simpler past. So to be in simple past for yams, what are you going to say? Yams were. Okay. Yams were eaten. The PP of 8 is eaten. Yams were eaten. Okay, by Afi. Yams were eaten by Afi. Another sentence. The doctor played tennis. Okay, the doctor played tennis. Becomes tennis. Tennis was, because the sentence is in simple past. When the sentence in simple past, we are going to use to be in simple past also. So tennis was played by the doctor. Okay, tennis was played by the doctor. We can have the rule for passive. For past tenses, simple past, we have objects plus was or were plus pp plus by plus subjects. So that is the rule of simple past. Was and were are the form of to be in simple past. Let us try this one at home. Duty bought a new car. Duty bought a new car. You are going to try it at home and you send me it later. We continue with another form of past, and that is number 2, the past progressive. The past progressive. As we said right now, for present progressive, the progressive form is used to express an action that is going on when we are talking. And now, past progressive, the action was going on when we were talking. So, for example, you can say, Mr. Alabwe was teaching English. Okay, I saw Mr. Alabwe. Mr. Alabwe was teaching English. Now, let us transform this sentence from active to passive voice. English. Okay, we are going to use to be in simple past for English. Third person singular, was. English was. Okay. Now, being, because for this present progressive, we said that this word being will come right now because of the progressive form, ing form. So, English was being touched by Mr. Alabwe. Okay? So English was being taught by Mr. Alabwe. Mr. Alabwe was teaching English. The second one, Afi was let us take a simple example. Afi was eating. Okay, me, I like eating. Afi was eating. What Afi will eat? What? Afi was eating mangoes. Okay, Afi was eating mangoes. Okay, Afi was eating mangoes. Passive voice becomes mangoes. Now, mangoes is a plural, is in plural form. So we say mangoes were, because of the plural, being. Okay. Now the PP of it is eaten by Afi. So it is clear, and we can have the rule. The rule is For passive or past perfect, past progressive, object plus was or were plus pp plus by plus subject plus being. Okay, was or were plus being plus pp plus by plus subjects. Okay, so that is the rule of passive progressive form of passive in past tenses. Now at home you are going to try this one. Kojo was singing. Kojo was singing a love song. Kojo was singing a love song. You are going to transform this sentence from active voice to passive voice for me. Now we are going to finish with the last tense of or the last form of passive voice of past tense is, that is the passive of perfect. Okay, past perfect, past perfect. The sentence number one: I had killed a goat. I had killed a goat. That is the sentence number one. In passive voice, that will become a goat had. When you remember, when we talked about the perfect tenses, we use a word. Do you remember this word? It is been. Okay, been. We use been for the passive voice for perfect tenses. So a goat had been killed by me. Okay, I becomes a me. A goat had been killed by me. The last sentence: Duty had walked. Duty had phoned. Duty had phoned the doctor. Duty had phoned the doctor. It becomes the doctor had been phoned by Duty. Okay? The doctor had been phoned by Duty. So the rule, objects plus had plus been, okay, plus pp plus by plus subject. So that is the rule of passive voice for perfect tenses, for past perfect. Now at home you are going to try this homework. Your homework for you. Put the following sentences into passive voice. You have just two sentences because I have given you some already. Number 1, Nestor has drunk beer. Okay, that's the first one. The second one, now I will give you this one. You are going to transform from passive to active. Okay. The hunter or the lion was killed. The lion was killed by the hunter. Okay, so here you are going to put the following sentences into passive or active voice. Okay, can be either passive or active. You have to follow and to see what you are going to do. Now, when you finish all this work, you are going to send it for me in my box on 90473369. Okay, and don't forget that we have a WhatsApp channel. École chez vous, where you follow me, you send me the homework. I will put you inside the group, and we are going to work together. It is free. Okay, so my number is 90473369. I am very happy that you have followed me in number, and I will ask you to continue to revise your lesson during these times. It is very important because the exam is approaching and everybody is getting prepared. So thank you and see you later. I will let you in good hands with Mr. Alaboy that will come right now. And thank you.